What's going on, YouTube? Just Zach here with the newest, latest, and greatest video for you all today. So today, this is part 2 of our Playing with My Heroes segment, and the crew is Yungstaz, Speros, and Jojo with myself, and it was a blast. All right, we got so many laughs, so much action and content in this great video. You guys will not want to miss this. So all of our chads thought it'd be fun in this segment to challenge us a little bit. And there are gifted subs on the line. So let's see how we kind of pull through these things together as a team, cracked out of our minds. The goal for today, 25 likes on this video. So remember to like, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell so you know when the next videos go live, because we got a lot of great content coming at you soon. That's anything from commentating on games, that's game shows that we were on, and also any big announcements that are coming up in the Just League. Also, another reminder, we do stream live on Twitch pretty much every day except for Sunday. Links down in the description below. We'd love to have you as a part of the Just League. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this great one that we have for you today. Peace. All right, Young, I need you to like play like me this game, and I need me to play like you this game.
Young. This is a tournament. I want you to play like there's $15,000 on the line.
I got 20 gift online.
I was gonna say, someone said if I get more kills than Young, I get 5 gifted. So that's nothing. What? Can we step it up like Speros' chat up in here? Come on now.
I got 2.
I'm gonna snipe one out of the air right here. Well, I sniped one out of the air.
He said, I really wasn't expecting that to hit.
Back here, dash. You darn right. Oh, I just shot one through the wall. He's right there. He's scared.
He really wants those 5 gifted.
Yeah. They're in that vehicle. Our bounty's in that vehicle, and they're coming right to us.
And they're coming to Papa. That's the closest
we can hit airfield by if you guys want.
No, we're gonna fight our bounty at Titties. Let's roll.
I got one broken, 2 broken. 2 of them are broken on backside. One about top, broken. 1E back there on you.
Self-rising in the garage, sounds like.
Right here.
Take your time.
They're all dead. Nice.
I got anything good over here, so I don't have to grab overkill.
This kid had Milano, so no.
Hey,
why is Speros the only one always getting full kill?
Bro, I smell nice. And I run into unwinnable situations like an idiot.
He said they smell my new cologne. There's really nothing.
Yeah, there's. I haven't seen a soul. That's a loadie sitting right there.
On top.
Oh, shoot, I'm dead here.
Everyone inside, I think. Oh,
right here,
he's running right now. Back up.
This guy's still on the roof.
Full kill. Yep.
Other people shouldn't talk.
Oh, behind me. He's towards train. Bottom train right now.
I got shot from top train.
All right, there's one top train then too.
Okay, now, yep.
I'll snipe him.
Yeah, right over here.
Right here. Yeah. Broken, down. Oh, I just quick scoped your face off, kid. Oh, another one.
I'm getting the fuck out of here.
I don't like being here. Ooh! He's gonna wish he didn't miss me. One about top still.
One shot on me. I got locked. Just heal up. They're gonna try to get there.
They're gonna push me right now.
Stand up and fight.
Are we split?
Yep. Oh, I'm dead.
I killed this kid in a kind of sus way.
Your stuff's still there, but they're still sniping up on top of train. They won't leave. Down one. Frick you, kid. Oh! If I would've hit that shot. Oh! Still up on train. He's still sniping me, bro. I'm trying to buy teammates back, bro. I see them. They're running towards me. They're running on you, Jojo. They're on you right now.
They're pulling up on dealership.
I just pulled up on me. Yep.
Liping. One of them.
Good live. Downed.
Another one pushing in right here then.
Right here. These kids are sitting.
You don't want to do that, please.
Oh, he has no armor in the car. Oh, he downed me. Okay, he's 1E. Nice. Good shots. Young saved my life.
We have enough. Someone drops me cash. I can mosey my way on over.
There you go, sir. Asking you shall receive.
Thank you. I would like a Lamborghini to be delivered to my house.
They make us buy and buy back.
Mr. Beast, you heard him, right? Oh, right there. They just went down. Right here. He's sniping right there on gold ping.
Oh, he's rising.
Full stun,
he's dead now.
Full stun.
Dead.
Oh my god, I need to get 8 more kills for the. No, I'm sorry, I didn't realize it reversed me.
I'm gonna destroy this helicopter.
Do it. Yes, yes, yes. I like it.
All done.
Yo, how'd you get in with Speros? That's legit. Oh, sorry, I didn't mute.
I haven't vibed.
My chat's going crazy that I'm playing with you both right now.
Hell yeah, let's go.
And then they notice Jojo at the last second, and then they go real crazy.
Whole team just went up.
Yeah, they're in that house in front of me.
Oh, right there, bottom floor. That one broke. Two broke. Two broke on the backside there. On you, Young.
So sad.
I shoot him in the head. They just break armor, you know. That's how sniper works.
Oh shit, Speros is in the trenches.
Oh, they got one pushing you right now. One pushing you on the wall.
Run into the depths, dude. Trying to get this. Hold him
There's one shot on the wall.
out.
One to my left. To my right. Can York down.
Oh, it's you.
Another one here to my left.
Contact! Exfil's on station. Get to the LZ.
We almost have enough of res.
We do. There you go. Take my money. Oh, never mind. You don't need it. No one on UAV right now?
I'm grabbing a car and I'm dipping.
I'm gonna
Grab loadout.
run.
Oh, there's a grenade launcher. Should I grab the grenade launcher?
That's up to you. I'm gonna go have Speros real quick.
Yeah, that's where I'm headed, actually.
Chilling.
That's where I'm
I got
headed.
a I'm just holding these guys out. They're
Okay.
stuck with their back against the wall. There's no way they get out of storm.
Yeah, Jojo, you can come with me then. Take it easy on him. I'm sorry. Jojo, you get a death or what? Jojo.
Uh-oh, Jojo left.
He got kicked out, I guess.
Oh, dead.
What are we doing?
Go.
Because what are we doing?
Bro, we're just vibing all the way out yonder. Oh, thank God Jojo didn't have all the money. I was like, when I got gifted on the line. Pretty. I'm joking.
You mean to come over there to you? Since you have gifted on the line.
Man,
No,
I
yeah,
just
I
stopped.
literally have to get 10 kills and the win. Like 10 or more kills and the win. So
10 or more kills in
Oh,
the
I
league.
got that.
Yeah, we just realistically we just gotta win.
It's alright. Jojo's not there.
They're over by that vehicle over here.
Behind you back right now.
They're right
Jojo.
here.
Third?
Moving.
Oh, right in front of me. Right in front of
Yeah.
me.
I'm trying to watch your top left. As soon as you start shooting, they're gonna look over. Yeah, they're jumping down. They're going towards like more of the corner.
Oh, yeah, he's...
Yeah, you just jumped off.
This
now.
kid is
He's
just...
going
He's
there.
just sitting.
Oh.
He just jumped down right over me.
Jumped off.
Broken, one-y, down.
Nice.
Dead.
He's gonna be-
Dead.
Right above you looking. Down. And then this guy in
Nice.
the cubby.
Last guy in the cubby.
Guy up top might have self.
I'm gonna stun cubby. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, stun.
Tossing a stun.
Friendly UAV on
Got him. Oh my gosh. This poor man.
He hit me with the perfect stun.
That poor man really thought, huh?
You hit me with the perfect stun. That was beautiful.
Got gas inbound. Safe zone.
High praise. High praise.
We have money. You can here. You can get a self. On the move. Bada bing, bada boom.
Gracias.
De nada. Oh yeah, we should push that and hold them out. They're all gonna be pushing in from over here. Oh my God, he's down. I hit him.
I missed
one
him.
time out of my 50,000 birds.
Oh, right here. There's a live on one.
Target right here.
Oh, I missed.
Rotating
I'm
up to
striking
the
them.
Close air.
This is Striker 3-1, good copy. Strike inbound.
I like it.
That shit doesn't hit. Nope.
They're deeper now. Like
Way deep. Yeah.
yeah, like way out yonder.
No hits on that run.
They're hugging the building to the right here. This building.
Yep.
Disregard that.
Yeah, we got him on a nasty hold right here. Oh! Wow! Okay, it's all you guys. You got this.
Downed him. Dead.
Tough it out. You'll pull
Teammates in
through.
the gulag.
Push on our left. One shot, one bullet.
Love that.
Downed
love
him.
That, love that. Yeah, I'm watching your right push.
For redeployment.
That guy had time help.
Oh, to my left. Yeah, he's to my left. He's right on me. Right on my body. Literally on my body. Two of them. Oh, yeah, it is a whole nother team. I got one down, crawling down to my body.
This is the gulag. Survive and you can
Dang it!
redeploy.
If I wouldn't have got thirsty,
Car
man.
pushing you. Car pushing.
Oh, Speros coming in for the help.
Blue that. I can help.
Good stuff, bro.
Don't come here.
return to the front line.
Oh,
If you
no.
lose, your fight is over.
LMG though.
Oh my god.
There's a team camping the fucking load buy station with the heartbeat sensor. He peeks only whenever he gets a ping.
No shot. I mean, honestly, I believe it.
I had Ghost on though. I don't know.
Can't hear him, bro.
Me.
He hears me easily.
Watching Frost.
I'm
Oh
trash.
no, I have enough money.
Heard
To
me.
do it.
I'm trash.
Which buy station are they at? Oh my god, there's not even a buy
To our
station.
left.
Dang,
Like the top
bro.
alien one.
Yeah. Not this one right here. No.
One more on the buys week.
Heading out.
Down.
One's up top above too. I'm gonna go top around.
Yeah, I'm like watching your top. One's in the car.
Actually,
I think the last one's in the car.
Oh yeah, last one is in the car.
He's about to die too. He's broke.
Found armor, crack. What? He's one bullet, literally one bullet.
He is literally a bullet.
Yeah. I'm just getting the full on the car.
Oh, jeez. Right now we got 40 as a trio. No. Sadly, my man Jojo got kicked from this game because this game knows how to run their servers. You know what I'm saying? I'm not Vegeta, chat, but I'm just saying.
Oh, I got Ghost. I'm good. He's just sniping.
I'm just gonna drop down to the loadie.
Yeah, I see him up there.
You got guys shooting from over near gas.
Third. Got at least two in that building. Oh my god.
You gotta stop my rounds or no?
Gas is closing in.
They're out in the middle of the field right now. Right here. I just got live on one.
You're getting a loadout, yeah.
Tagging for armor right there.
He still has white. We'll get to this house real quick. If there's no one in here.
Downed him behind that rock right there.
Whole team shooting at me from gas.
I'm watching.
Oh, I missed one right on this corner right here. On this corner. Broke armor on one.
I have no
He's
angle
running
at the
across to the
moment.
right now. One's left that rock still.
Copy your mark.
Probably just rezzed him. That sucks.
Y'all got
laying down at
circle.
the rock.
Y'all got circle.
Yeah.
I have no sniper ammo.
Team behind now. Team behind now.
We're running at you right now behind the rock.
I got sniped.
I'm coming to you.
I have stealth. I'm chilling right now. There's a team behind us right now.
Behind where? Oh, it's the team in the house, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, one's pushing. Some gas. Try down. I'm in the crosshair. He's so good. He's like, I just want to rotate, man.
You don't have the extra armor?
No, I'm about to drop money for you. And then here's sniper ammo.
Oh, gracias.
You have the armor?
I need that.
No, we don't have enough money.
I have an armor.
They're fighting. There's only
have an
three
armor
of
what?
them. 3v3.
An armor plate. We're good.
3v3 at the house now. 3v3 at the house. Last team.
You're gonna be top. The one's out to the left of it.
I have no armor, okay?
You're good. Yeah, I got two plates here. Take one.
Look at top window. I'm looking at top window. There's nobody.
Right now. I'll be fine.
I mean, they're in the house.
I gotta come down anyways.
Yeah, they're super stuck. Like,
Y'all still got circle.
Bottom floor. Rose skin. She's on the right side. Right side of the house. She's gonna come out. Down there. Never mind. She's right there in the doorway.
I'm far left, dude. They're screwed. There's no way they make it out of this.
Down another one.
All dead.
That's it. Let's go.
GG.
Let's go. Woo! That was nuts.
Jeez.
That was insane. Yes. Yes. Freaking yes. Oh my gosh. Oh, son of a gun. How many kills did I have? Did anybody see? I had at least 11 kills. At least 11.